Click detectors are important, aren't they? So let's learn about them. Click detectors are cool. So we're gonna be. I'm scratching my head. Okay. Let's just real quickly make a click detector. Okay, click detectors cannot just be put in workspace. So we have to put it inside a part or a model for it to work. So to make a big part here that we can click on. Make sure you know we can click on. Anyways, let's learn everything we should know about click detectors. We have a click detector. First of all, the max activation distance is how far your camera has to be able to activate it. The name is the name, and the parent is the parent, which is part. Our achievable thing is like the right here, it says right here, like it's about cloning stuff, like if it can be like saved when the game is closed. Anyways, and cursor icon is whenever you hover over it, that's what pops up. So if I go on like if you could turn off one of these tools, like but you can sometimes when you go in to use a plugin, sometimes it turns off which tool you're using, like go in here and it or part of the terrain might do it too. Sometimes they can remove what you're using and it will show your mouse click. But that doesn't matter. Click detectors, they can be used in scripts. It's actually a great way to find what the player is. But having someone click this, it sends about the player soon. Script parent detector. Let me zoom this in for you. Now 1 second. Okay. Click detector. That mouse click connect function. Now right here is gonna be a player. This is whoever clicked it. Whoever clicked it is the players. The players whoever clicked the click detector. So say I click it, that's me. You click it, that's you. So yeah. So we can go player colon kick. This is a kick button. You see what I mean by that? You'll see what I mean by this is a perfect way to get the player. If you haven't clicked it, it like perfectly gets the player for you and there's no work involved at all. 1 second. Alright, there's literally no work involved. You click it and it gets kicked. This is sending back the player. So we can do anything. We can do player colon load character, and this will reload the character every time you click it. I'm just gonna play here. As you can see, click it, it loads our character back over here. And right when we can click it again, it loads our character. So yeah, it's a pretty good way. So that's click detectors essentially, and all you do is right. Just a couple more things, like you could, there's a lot of things you can do with click detectors. So, since that's actually not that much, I'm gonna also teach you of colliding, like, script that hit, or parent that hit. Basically being touched by something. If someone touches this, it'll do something. So I'm gonna anchor it, and turn can glide off. Now we're gonna go and add a script to it. And the event is script the parent, and the script's parent is the part. Anything's parent. Its parent is a way to say whatever it's in. Essentially, it's like when you open these arrows, it's its child. This is its parent. The script is part's child, and part is script's parent. You know what I mean? Anyways, that hit or actually touched. Sorry. Touched connect function is a function, and we're gonna put hit because that's whatever hit it. Now it'll return a part. So if we go if hit dot parent dot humanoid, or that's what we can do colon find first child humanoid, then that means if it finds a humanoid in the thing that it touched, like, so that means like if it hits someone's leg, it will see its parent, which is the character, and aside the character, if there's a humanoid, then it'll do whatever's here. Then, of course, we don't want it to be a dead person being able to use it, so we're gonna do if hit parent humanoid health is greater than 0, then that means it is still alive and not dead. So yeah. Now that we got that in, whatever happens in here is when you touch it. But there's only one problem. We do print hello, and let's go real quickly test it out. If you want to know how I get it to start up so fast, it usually doesn't start up so fast. Don't do this, like do this in studio. Turn off load character appearance, but turn it back on once you publish your game. Anyways, every time you touch this, let me open up the output, so you can see every time I touch this, it's printing like a million hellos. But that's because there's no cooldown or like wait time. It's just each and every time you move, like even when you move like an inch, it'll do a million times because you moved. Because it keeps getting it. So we're gonna actually do enter twice. Local cool equals false, and local cool time equals 1. So every 1 second, if someone touches it, every 1 second, it'll, check the cool time. It'll like cool down. Anyways, if cool, then actually if cool equals false, then and actually just gonna cool equals true, and then we're gonna wait we're gonna wait cooldown, and then we're gonna do cool equals false. That's essentially all there is to that. And if it's join, let's open up our output again. Make sure you can see this. You see, just every time. Okay. Now, getting stuff like that, there's different ways you can do this too. You can make regions and all this stuff, but I'll teach regions in a different time. Regions are pretty complex. Not really though. Let me just switch you back to good old full screen. Regions are actually pretty easy. Anyways, so what we're gonna do next, I think that's it for today. I just wanted to teach people real quick click detectors and parts that when you hit them. If you need anything taught to you and you want it simply explained like I did it, either go on my Discord and say it in the, let me see, which one do I want you to, either say it in the chat or something, or go in the dev talks or something, no, general, or go in the general and talk, just say it, and hopefully I will probably make a video on it if you say it, because I don't have so many people that I want to be able to. So yeah, if you need something taught to you, either post it in the link in the comments, or Discord, or in my group, which also will be in the link in the description. My group is right here. And you can just post it out here and say, make a vid on, and whatever, like, make a vid on regions. I don't know how to spell regions, I'll learn. Or, like, anything. I'm gonna upload one more video today. Yeah, so. And also, if you want to become an admin, I'm sorry, I know that sounds mean, but to be an admin, you have to sign up with this. All you have to do is literally type in your game, and then why do you want to be admin? Just type in something. Honestly, it doesn't matter what you type, as long as you get As long as you get the personality type question right, you know, get the correct answers, hit yes there, and submit it. That's all you have to do. And the only questions I'm going to need are literally the personality type and the Roblox account name, and this one. So yeah, it's not that hard, just do it. So, yeah, that's it. Now, if you want me to teach you how to make a, I'll show you in 1 minute. If you would like for me to teach you how to get this screen, like this, is the like Roblox prompt purchase screen, where you can edit it and make it like say, like sub, you know. I'm not sure if you can open web pages or Roblox. If you can, I'll figure it out. You can literally make it like send. No, I don't think so, because people would be abusing that and like posting on, I don't know, like posting up scam websites and stuff. But yeah, you can literally just do this to trick people and make them think they're gonna buy a Game Pass. I have to use this. I went over and grabbed the kick. I grabbed the kick GUI screen, like the thing when you get kicked and it says you got kicked. And I grabbed it and made it trick people into thinking that they got kicked. So let me teach you how to grab and get this GUI screen. Just say it in the description or in my group, and I will teach you how to do it. Yeah. I don't know why you would even need this screen, just I figured out how to get it. I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, it's the full screen, like you can get the cancel, like make this say stupid or something, like stupid. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Say buy now or be stupid. Excuse me. But yeah, if you want me to teach you, you can get this very easy. I'll teach you. That's it though. I hope you enjoyed.